Welcome to Module 2. Now that energy has been framed as a coordinated system, we can look more closely at how lab results fit into that picture. Many people are told their labs are normal, yet still feel unwell. This module focuses on what normal lab values represent, what they're designed to measure, and how they relate to daily physiological rhythms. Placed in context, lab results can offer useful information, even when they don't point to a specific diagnosis. In this module, we'll take a closer look at what normal lab results represent. We'll focus on what reference ranges are designed to show, where their limits are, and how clinicians interpret results using context and trends rather than single numbers. Normal lab results provide important information. They help rule out many of the diseases these tests are designed to detect, including thyroid disorders, anemia, infections, and major metabolic problems. At the same time, lab values reflect what's present in the bloodstream at a single point in time. They don't capture how different physiological systems coordinate across the day. Day-to-day fatigue and mental fog often relate to how energy regulation unfolds over time. Sleep timing, nutrition patterns, stress load, activity, and recovery all influence that process. When symptoms persist despite normal labs, it usually reflects how the system is functioning as a whole rather than a condition the tests were built to identify. When clinicians refer to a normal range, they're referring to a reference range built from population data. These ranges are designed to identify disease and flag results that fall outside expected limits. A value within range tells us that the test does not show evidence of the condition it was designed to detect. Within that range, the exact position of a number does not carry independent clinical meaning on its own. It's also normal for results to vary slightly over time. Sleep, stress, meals, hydration, and timing can all influence lab values without reflecting a change in health. Because of this, clinicians don't interpret labs by aiming for a particular spot within the range. We look at patterns over time and how results fit the broader clinical picture. There are a few common assumptions about lab results that can lead people down the wrong path. When results are reported as in range, that tells us there's no evidence of the conditions those tests are designed to detect. It doesn't mean that every system involved in daily energy regulation is perfectly aligned. Normal lab results also don't mean symptoms aren't real. They help clarify what symptoms are not coming from, which allows attention to shift toward factors like sleep timing, stress load, nutrition patterns, and recovery. You may also encounter claims about a single ideal lab value to aim for. In clinical practice, results are interpreted using reference ranges, individual context, and trends over time, not a universal target number. Clinicians rarely interpret a lab result on its own. We start with the question, what were we looking for, and why was this test ordered? From there, we look for patterns, how your values compare to previous results, and whether anything is shifting over time. Context matters just as much as the number itself. Recent illness, sleep changes, stress, hydration, supplements, and even the time of day can all influence a result without indicating a problem. You can use a similar approach. Know what each test is meant to clarify, try to use the same lab for consistency, and consider what was happening in the days before the draw. This helps you interpret results more accurately and have clearer conversations with your clinician. Labs give us valuable information. They tell us whether major systems are functioning within safe limits, but your day-to-day energy depends on how your sleep, nutrition, stress, and movement interact, things lab tests aren't built to capture. In the next module, we'll talk about your thyroid, how it sets the pace for your metabolic system, and why normal thyroid labs often mean your symptoms are coming from rhythm, not gland dysfunction.